Hey guys, it's Josh with JC Landscaping, back with another video, and I am at the dump to get rid of this massive box full of leaves. So I've had several comments asking me how I unload the box. So I'm going to show you a short little video of that. The netting on here got destroyed pretty much yesterday because it stretched out so far. So not really worried about destroying it. You can see from this side it's done for. So let me get you set up. Let me get the net off and then I'll show you how we're gonna unload it. All right guys, so quick and easy with this. 7/16, 7/16, go in reverse. And this is all just temporary for this year. I'm gonna have a different setup next year, so as long as it works, don't knock it if it works, right? Take the bolts out so we don't lose them. Just lost one of my washers. Don't want to lose those. These ones are on pretty good. Yep, those are good. Let me bring you around the other side here. That. Let me set this in the cab real quick. A lot of leaves, guys. A lot of leaves. So, and naturally, just rake them out. Hang on. Good, how about yourself?
All right.
Kind of nice to pull in just right in here and not have to wait.
Oh, shit. Sometimes it's so bad you sit out there for 15-20 minutes.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
You too. Get you guys a different angle here. thinking next year, guys, invest my money, and I think I'm gonna get a dump bed insert. So don't need a dump trailer because I have the open trailer, have the enclosed. I think with the dump bed insert, you know, I think it'll be pretty good. I can modify leaf box. Like I said, this one I made last year. I didn't pay for the plywood, so I got easy for that. So anyway, let's get it finished unloaded and go enjoy the rest of our Saturday. I got about 8 videos I need to edit and get uploaded. This will be the first one, and I will link the 2 properties that I collected these leaves. I'll add them in the description. Leaves are wet and heavy, guys. Especially these yellow ones. Dang. I'll go ahead and tell you guys, you know, everybody gonna say, man, that takes so long to do that, waste of time. Well, let me tell you guys, for what I charged for the leaf cleanups, I don't mind spending an extra 10 or 15 minutes at the dump, you know, manually unloading the leaves right now. I made enough to cover the dump fee and my time here at the dump. So let me get the rest of this cleaned off here, and I'll show you what the finished pile looks like. Be right back. All right, guys, well, here is the pile that came out of the truck. Mind you, this is only a 1500. This isn't a 2500 or 3500. This is a 1500 short bed, 6.5 foot. So I don't think that's too bad. I will put up on the screen exactly what the cubic feet is, or cubic yards. So that's it, guys. Quick little unloading video I got requests for. So if you can, like, subscribe, share the channel. Be safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.